fried pickle. That would be good. Well, there's obviously a domestic going on here. 317, the beach.
249.
For residence 4, May 35 Albemarle Street, Highland.
We'll sit here quietly. She's going to come back around and try to... They're obviously having an argument. So that gentleman jumped out of that car. She just did a U-turn down here. She's going to cross. See that? She's going to cross over Dale. She's going to make another U-turn. Oh, here she comes.
175 was gracious.
You guys just sit back and relax and enjoy this. So we're going to pretend we're not here. And there she is, right there. Oh, she's driving on the wrong side of the street.
Traffic.
You see?
Good. Wayfair and Frost with Mary Nora Henry, 688.
It's a woman.
Is that 688?
Actually, we see what's on the adult male.
She's chasing him now.
527.
Wayfair and Frost.
This is pretty good humor in a little way. She's chasing him. She left the car there. At least the flashers are on, I'll say that. She left the flashers on. Is there an assault about to happen here, Pat, or just a yelling match?
Looks like just yelling.
Well, that's what you call an argument. I respect the guy for walking away, though. Sometimes that's all you can do. Rather than sitting and arguing, getting a physical fight, you just walk away. Now we're going to have to see what she does to get back on the right side of the road.
You can send me that medical in Fairfield.
And then we're going to talk to her.
Happy.
She getting on the freeway?
I don't know.
Vehicle, B Hotel, X-ray Kilo 741.
That wasn't that one, was it?
She had her flashers on.
You know, she's just mad enough not to stop. We want to hear the story, right? What was the argument about? Let's let our viewers listen. What was that about?
Your baby mom's gonna come get you, or do you need me to bring you home? They definitely did. Do you need me to come get you, or do you need your baby mom to bring you home?
It's okay, let her talk. She's talking to...
Okay, bitch, shut the fuck up.
She's talking to the boy.
Hello?
So what was that about?
Because he's fucking mad, so I pulled over to see if he needed to get back in the car. We're not doing this tonight.
Yeah, but, okay, the only reason that we're here is you drove on the wrong side of the street.
Yes, and I understand.
So you must have been really angry. So, what is going on?
I apologize. It's okay. It's just relationship problems. I'm cool.
Yeah.
Y'all won't get nothing else from me. I promise.
Well, when you're chasing him down the street on foot, we get a little nervous.
Because I was trying to get him something.
Is that him on the phone now, or what? What? Well, is this about another girl?
No.
Okay, you said baby mama, your baby mama. I don't know.
For somebody to come and get you.
16 copy, LBWC.
All right, well, try to keep your...
I will.
Temper
I promise.
down.
I apologize.
It would be horrible if you had a wreck.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I did put my hazard lights on, but I am sorry.
We know.
And you did run a red light.
We
I was
did.
trying to make sure I wasn't trying to get in an accident. But I'm listening.
Well, you can go. What was the core of the problem?
Just relationship problems. Just arguing.
Okay.
He's upset. I'm upset. So just.
We'll go on home and let him cool off for the night, huh?
I am.
Okay.
I apologize. I'm really sorry.
Thank you.
You take care.
After
Hope
you.
your night gets better. You go ahead and go first.
After you.
I got to put my seatbelt back on.
There you go. Safety first.
4423, there's squad traffic warning.
Have a good night. Thank you. Thank you.
Copy at 27 minutes.
So that's real life here in America.
Yes, indeed.
8197.
Spotlight Road and 7th Street. Edward